Hey YouTube, Daniel from Beardster here today. Growing a beard is good fun, but along the way you're gonna really start to notice that there are a few problems when you start growing your beard out, and even throughout the growth journey, a few problems will continually arise unless you do something about them. So these are 3 problems that I've discovered during this year. So I'm Daniel, I'm from Beardster, and I'm currently in week 9 of the year. So I've been growing this beard out for about 9 weeks now. So problem number 1 is the messy, awkward beard. We've all been there. Our beards, when they're first starting to grow, get hairs sprouting out in all sorts of different directions. You'll probably find that the beard hair doesn't quite sit how you want it to, and as it gets longer it kind of grows this way and every other way. Doing a year means I can't just grab that trimmer or those scissors and chop away those awkward little patches of hair. So using a decent natural beard oil every single day is going to help hydrate your beard hair. This means that you can work the hair when you're using a beard brush or a comb and train the hair to go into the direction that you want it to grow in. And then you can just easily finish off the beard with a bit of balm just to style it and, you know, get a little curl or something like that on the mustache. Problem number 2 is dry skin under the beard. We did a video a little while ago on the itchy, flaky beard, so check that out for some more detailed tips. As we enter the cooler months of the year, your skin will get a little bit more sensitive. That cold weather can irritate your skin, cause it to dry out, and crack and flake and all that other rubbish we don't want. But if you're already using a beard oil to solve the problem in problem number 1, you're already well onto your way to preventing that dry, horrible skin from happening. But it can still happen. So make sure when you wash the beard, you're really getting in under the beard, exfoliating it with your fingertips. And the secret weapon is beard butter. It's smooth, it's whipped. Problem number 3 is the urge to trim the beard, and we've all been there. Every guy, when they're growing out the beard, kind of gets an urge to trim it. And it's quite a difficult one because you know that if you trim it, you're not going to get a long beard, but you don't really want to get the long beard that much because your beard looks so messy. So if you are committed to getting a long beard, then just set your goal on a style. Find someone on Instagram. There's so many awesome long bearded guys there. Just find someone that you like the look of in terms of their beard. Bookmark that image. Just jump on your phone, hit the bookmark, save that image. Just make a folder saying awesome long beards or beard goals 2018, 2019, and don't trim it until your beard is their length. Easiest way to do it. You won't even think about it that way. Alternatively, or concurrently, or simultaneously, or at the same time, make sure you join some beard groups on Facebook. We've got one called Beardsters. Come in, share your beard with us, share any issues you've got, and just join our community. And that's it, guys. They are the 3 main problems that I've come across during the year, especially in the early days. I don't really suffer with any of those. Sometimes I think, oh, that neck beard needs a trim, but hey, we're good. We'll see you very soon. Goodbye.